Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Join me for an adventure at the park. Let's go. Saw this cliff, so I decided to climb it. I did a victory dance when I made it to the top. Look at my dance moves. Sweet, right? Take a second to admire this view. Isn't it beautiful? Some fresh pine cones. They smelled really good. We also spotted some wild berries. We kept our distance because you never know. We noticed these piles of different types of dirt. Isn't that weird? Well guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy this last clip. Tell me what was your favorite part. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Nossa, é todo fim de semana.